How to full screen Chrome in laptop. Want Chrome to cover your entire screen? Let's walk through the easiest ways to go full screen on your laptop. So on Windows or Linux, press F11. On Mac, press Control Command F. This instantly toggles Chrome into full screen mode. You can also click the three dots in the top right corner and then go to Zoom and then click on this full screen to view this in full screen. If you just want Chrome maximize but not full screen, click on the square icon beside the close button on Windows or the green circle on Mac. To exit full screen, press on F11 again or escape on Windows or Linux or Control Command F on Mac. You can also move your mouse to the top edge and click exit full screen. Chrome full screen is quick and easy. Use shortcuts for speed or the menu if you prefer clicks.